channel. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this easy, simple, smoky eyeshadow look and how I usually curl my hair. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the video. I'm just going to apply about this much on each eyelids. Okay, so I'm going in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and with this color here, Dusty Rose. That's going to be the transition color. And always top off the axis. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can see. From here, I'm just starting from the outer, making my way in, and just blend. I'm going to be going in with this color here. Oh no. So now I'm going in with a smaller brush. So it's like a little angle brush. I'm going back in with the darker color, and I'm going to apply this underneath the water lids. Okay, so from here, I'm going to be using my Tarte. It's really dirty now. So a palette. Going in with this color. Okay, so now it's time for blush. I'm going to be using my Benefit blush bar. That's how it looks like inside. And I usually like to mix all these three colors here, which is California, Gold Rush, and Dandelion. about highlight, I'm going in with the same Tarte palette from earlier. With this brush, just gonna go in with the same color again from earlier. Just applying a little bit on my nose bridge. And I almost forgot about my eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply this underneath the waterline. Now I'm going in with a pink lip liner. Now with my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Now I'm just going to top this lip color. This is the Tattoo Junkie brand. And I'm just applying this on top just to create like a nude lip gloss. Okay, so I'm actually finished here. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. So, starting off, I usually divide my hair. And I'm using the Pro Beauty Tools. I'm just gonna grab a piece of hair, about this much of hair. I'm just gonna twist this over because I like to have my curls facing away from my face, if that makes sense. Let my hair cool down for a few more minutes. I'm not gonna spray it with hairspray yet. Now with the top piece. decrease this a little bit so it looks like I have a little volume. I'm actually really bad at teasing my hair. So from here, I'm just going to start spraying things. Alright, so this is the finished look, and this is what I went for. Just loose, big, wavy curl. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video.